Hi guys! For today's vlog, pupunta po kami sa Ion Sky at dito po kami ngayon sa Ion, dito sa Orchard. Ayan, yung di nawawala na step nila. Paakyat po kami sa 4th floor kasi doon po kami sasakay ng lift paakyat. Tingnan yung presyo. Mura lang. Mag-video ko na. Oo, ang ganda. Saan tayo pupunta?
We're going to the sky above the
We're going
sky.
to 3rd floor pa kami. Ion Sky.
So, we are here at the ION. So, we're going to the top of the mountain of this building. It's called Sky. That's it.
Welcome.
Ako yung mag-interview sa kanya mamaya. Tapos sabihin niya yung pang-reels ba?
Nandito na tayo.
Welcome to Ion Sky. Ion Sky. Welcome. Singapore's unique cityscape surrounds us. The sky is constantly changing and spectacular clouds float past the windows every day. Enjoy the view.
Yes, I enjoy. Let's drink coffee over there. I love the coffee. The coffee is dinosaur.
During your observation, the surroundings, the clouds, the everything there, how you describe?
It's normal.
It's awesome.
Using vlog talaga yun.
Oh wow, it's amazing.
Yeah, very good.
Oh, this is actually my first time.
If you want to see, if you say very good, and you don't say very good. Can you say it slowly? Very good.
You're finished. Next.
To be the clouds of
Chinese. I shall think of you in the
We hit the ground running so fast. We never saw it coming too high to come down. Maybe we were lucky. Maybe we were just buzzing. Now you don't answer when I call you. You're probably happy in these moods that I get off around 6 drinks deep, telling stories through this bottle. So much to say and it's a problem. I think this whiskey's convinced me that you're still missing me. I don't think I'm thinking straight, I know it's late, but I just wanna talk to you. Even though these shots burn like the truth, I keep going back, just like going back to you. I don't know why I showed up and told you that I love you. Maybe it's the alcohol talking about the way it was supposed to be. I should've known when you said it was you, not me. Don't know if I'm right or wrong for telling you that I still want you, or maybe it's the alcohol talking. And now you got me all up in my feelings, and I can't help myself because you said that you would be there for me. to you. Even though these shots burn like the truth, I keep going back, just like going back to you. I don't know why I showed up and told you that I love you. Maybe it's the that we're all talking about the way it was supposed to be. I should've known when you said it was you, not me. Don't know if I'm right or wrong for telling you that I still want you, or if it's just that we're all talking.
Baba na kami.
Hi, bababa na kami sa Mahiwagang Kaunti.
Dito pala may mag-selfie ka dito. Mas maganda dito.
Maganda dito, T.